Good day and welcome to another Wily Wednesday. Now, as you've most probably noticed, I am at the allotment, and today Wily Wednesday is allotment related. There's a surprise. I was watching Vivi do her Flintcorn, the other day. We were lucky enough to be sent some from Vivi, and it needs to be sown now. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. However, corn, like a number of other crops, likes to have a bit of a root run. And not only have we not collected any of our spent loo rolls, but we don't have any root trainers either. And root trainers, as you've mostly seen if you've ever looked at them, can be pretty expensive. I think about £12, £10, £12 for a pack of 12 root trainers. A, they're more plastic, and B, you're most probably not going to get more than 2 or 3 or 4 uses out of them. So that's most probably good value, but it's still plastic that you're not going to have long term. So I thought, how can I best manage the fact that I want to sow something that has the requirement for a longer root and less disturbance, and B, something that I can repurpose from what I have already. So what I've decided to do is turn one of our square pots, this is I think an 11 centimetre pot, and we have quite a lot of these. Yes, they're plastic, but they're pretty firm plastic, and this is now our 3rd season out of them, and we'll certainly get at least another 3 or 4 seasons out of them. Sorry, I got interrupted then because I hadn't turned my notifications on my phone off. As I was saying, this is a 11 centimetre pot, and it's a single pot, obviously. So what I am doing is I'm turning this single pot into 4 deeper pots. How am I doing that? I am using the ubiquitous Amazon book packaging. So this is cardboard, fully decompostable, as you know. So what I've done is I have taken a piece of the cardboard and drawn the shape of the pot on the cardboard. You will see the shape of the pot there. And then I have cut the shape of the pot out, and I've done 2 of these. Why have I done 2 of these? Very simple. After I've cut them both out, I have cut this one halfway down from the top, and I have cut this one halfway up from the bottom. It's a bit Blue Peter, this bit. Then you slide the 2 together, you effectively have a sort of little rough sectioner. Try and find my pot again. That sectioner goes in your pot. So now I'm ending up with 4 sections in this pot, so I can plant 4 sweet corn seeds, and they have a much, maybe, I mean, if I put this into a 7 centimetre pot, you've most probably got another inch more than a 7 centimetre pot in root depth. So I will get 4 out of that. Then when it comes to sowing these out and transplanting them, I will just make sure they're well watered, and then I will tear the paper and I'll plant the cardboard and the soil and the root separately. So each one of these I will get hopefully 4 plants. If I don't, I will re-sow. So there we are. There's a sort of simple tip which I found useful in the past for other things. I haven't done it with Flintcorn before, but I have done it with other I've done it with peas certainly, and I've done it with beans. So that's our Wily Wednesday for today. So effectively it's a repurposing. I'm repurposing a pot and I'm repurposing a cardboard box, a bit of cardboard. Doesn't need to come from Amazon. Obviously, there's nothing special about the cardboard that comes from Amazon. Right, 4 done. I think about another 24, 30 something to go. So that's it. That's Wily Wednesday for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what we do, please do subscribe. Hit the bell button for notifications. And we'll see you next week for another Wily Wednesday. Bye.